One thing that I've learned from Adit is that patience and having an organized approach is very, very important when you're planning something. And being organized throughout consistently is actually the key of making your plan successful. He has always been an amazing leader, an amazing friend, an amazing mentor. Throughout my internship tenure, throughout our journey, he has always been supportive. He has always had amazing ideas regarding work and organizational skills. He was also always very organized in his approach, and this is what quite got our attention. And it was something that we really admire about him because he was always so particular about things, so organized about his approach.
The thing that I learned from Adit is not to fret too much over the things that have happened before, because otherwise you're just wasting your time on things that cannot be changed anymore. So you should just take your learnings from them and make sure that you do not repeat these mistakes again in the future. I think that's something that struck to me the most about him, and also the timings in which he said this to us is what makes this advice so much more crucial than it is. So thank you very much for that.
You are a wonderful person, very kind, very humble. Every time you help us a lot. As a person, you are really sweet. Thank you so much for all the lovely experiences.
One thing that I've learned from Adit over the course of these 2 months at our internship is that it's extremely important for us to make everyone in the organization feel loved, warm, and like they belong in the organization. I think that's something that I will carry with me for the rest of my life. That is exactly how he behaved with us when we joined the organization, and it truly boosts our morale, our confidence, and that's something that I would like to practice in my career as well whenever I'm welcoming someone into an organization or a workplace.
The infinite beauty of working here at Pioneer for me was that throughout my period here, there was somebody who was always there to support me, who always had my back. For me, that one person was Adit. Throughout my short time here, whenever I had any queries, any doubts, any time of the day, Adit would help me clear them. I think I speak for all the interns here when I say that we look up to him for his time management, his impeccable leadership skills, the way he leads a team. I really hope that in the future I can achieve even half of that. Thank you so much, Adit.
One thing which I learned from Adit is how you manage your work, because here in this particular project also a lot of amount of work he is doing, and plus a whole 100 interns or 150 interns are there in this organization and solving each and every problem, each and every doubt, and then that too with very ease. There are few people like this that who actually take so much work, and also they are even able to do this very effectively and very efficiently, and I feel he is one of the diamonds of this particular project. So that is something which I actually really admire.
Thank you so much for the wonderful time we have spent with you in this internship. We really enjoyed it. The knowledge you have shared, the learnings you have brought cannot be compared with anything. So thank you so much for trusting us and building such a confidence within us. You were not only a great mentor, Adit, you were a good friend. And I'm lucky to have a mentor and a good friend in one person. So all the best for your future, and please be in touch.
Adit as a person and a figure has been a pure motivation. He has inspired others to work hard towards their goals and objectives. And he will be remembered for his composure, equanimity and his acumen.
Adit, you are one of the best mentors I have ever come across. Your ability to include everyone and make them feel welcomed is a trait I always admire. The way you hold the entire HR team together practically teach us on how to be organized, be self-motivated, and do every single task with such a great discipline is something which we all will always carry forward in our life. You, Adit, are truly the backbone of the entire HR team. The way you hold us, guide us, and mainly understand us and be there for us whenever we need you. And this is something we all can never be enough grateful for. Lastly, I would like to say that I am so happy to get this opportunity to work here, to work with someone like you, and to know someone like you.
Adit, you have been really very great mentor till date now. I like the way you handle and manage things. There is so much to learn from you. You have always guided us and mentored us. You have always told us to stay focused, be effective and efficient at your work, give your best. This is what I have learned from you. And it's been a really very great pleasure to work with you in this internship, and I am really very thankful for your constant support throughout this internship and for your guidance. Thank you.
Adit, a leader, a mentor, and a support system. What I have learned from Adit, it is to be patient and well organized. Things won't be like you wish. Sometimes there would be some ups and downs coming in your life. But you need to be patient enough and well organized in whatever you do. Adit, thank you so much for the support you have given us through this internship. You as a leader and a mentor is a great support. I really look up to you as an inspiration.
So one of the best decisions which I made in 2021 was to join Pioneer Management. And if I talk about Adit here, I would say that he is a great mentor and a person who is admired by everyone. And if I talk about learnings from him, there are not one, there are many learnings, but one of the best among them is that how to organize yourself and how to organize things so that it can help you to take major decisions and to plan yourself and your things. Though I joined HR team, or I would say I became part of HR team very late, and Adit was also on break, but there was not a single day when Adit was not there to help me out. I would text him, I would call him, and he was there to help me out with how to manage things, how to organize things, and I would truly admire this thing in him, that he has taught me the learnings, the art of organizing, the art of being a good leader, and how to make everyone make feel part of this organization. So thank you so much, Adit.
Hi Adit, I just want to tell you that I'm very grateful and I'm lucky to have been working with you. During my internship, I realized that one thing, that you have been a pillar for the organization, for ma'am and for all of us, and you have been there for all of us when we needed you, and it wouldn't have been possible without you. Love you.